Hi guys, now we are connected the monitor and thin client. See here, one power cable for the monitor and one DP cable. DP cable has been connected to the D symbol will be there. In that we should connect a DP cable. From that we have connected to the thin client. See here, this is called thin client, HP thin client. Front there will be two USBs, one headphone socket, and backside of the thin client there will be one LAN port, power adapter connection, and DP ports will be 4. You can see 1 2 3 4 DP ports, and there will be 4 USB ports as well. Another 2 USBs we have connected one mouse and one keyboard. You can see one mouse and one keyboard here. Now we have connected one monitor power cable. We didn't connected the LAN port for this. Now if you want to boot from the USB, I want to change some settings into a thin client. See here, this is HP thin client and Dell monitor we have connected, and keyboard and mouse we have connected. To boot with USB, we need to change some settings. Now we are turning on the thin clients. After connecting all power cables, make sure you should connect the power cables correctly. Okay, now we are turning on the thin client, and see the symbol, monitor symbol, like this it came. Now I am not able to boot USB stick. It will getting pop up like this thing. If I want to boot from the USB, you need to go to BIOS settings. For that, you need to press in the keyboard escape button. Just restart it again. You can press Alt, Control, Delete as well, or you can press power button again and press escape button. Continuously you should press escape button. Then after pressing escape button, then you will get this screen. There will be continuing startup, setup, system information, change language, diagnostic, and boot menu, computer setup, network boot, utilities. Now we are going to do computer setup with USB. I want to boot from the USB, so I want to change a BIOS setting to the USB. To go to BIOS settings, computer setup is the BIOS setting. Computer setup in the sense you can press F10 or down arrow. If you press down arrow, it will move to computer setup. After pressing F10, then BIOS screen will come. This is the BIOS screen. You need to go to security. In security, from security, you need to go to security boot configuration. Okay, to go to security boot option, you need to use keyboard symbol, up side arrow, up arrow symbols only. Don't use any mouse, it won't use it. Use keyboard symbol, up and down arrow keys only. Once you selected security boot configuration, press enter button. Then it will throw this error. To change the settings into a BIOS, you need to press F10 symbol. F10 from the keyboard. If you press F10 keyboard, then this will be appear. You can see the legacy support enabled, security boot disabled, and there are some security settings which is already there. Just you need to enable legacy support enable, you should do, and security boot you should disable. Now I have enabled legacy. If I want to now it earlier it was disabled, now I am enabling it. It won't go. First you need to go to security boot disable, then legacy enable. To save this, it should be legacy enabled and security boot should be disabled. To save this, press again F10. This screen will come. Again you need to press F10. Then save the changes setting and exit. Then press save the settings and change. It will enter, you need to press, then again one more enter. it will restart it. Now we are connecting one USB pen drive.